you doing? I told you not to drink too much, and you were sipping it as if you have not drink before. I cannot carry it to my house, eh? Go me, I'm tired. Where I'm going, no. I can't wait. I want to go. I'm going to.
Where are you coming from? She's intoxicated with Jesus. Hey, what is your name? Stand firm now.
Me not need women.
I don't cancel that one. I just place her now. They say, man, give her money. Wish me. But guy, no matter. La Liga, Champions League. I dey cancel.
I beg get one man. I'm not talking.
Calm down.
Who are you? What am I doing here?
Don't worry, just calm down. I can explain. Sit down. Sit down, I can explain. I mean no harm. Sit down. Thank you. Well, you see, yesterday, as I was heading somewhere, I saw you in the street. We were drunk to stupor. And I have no doubt because I don't want to leave you in the hands of bad guys out there. I will help you out. That's why you are here. This is my place. That's all.
Thank you very much.
No, for nothing. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, Suri, see, I really want to ask you this question, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to know things about your family. You know, it has been a while.
So what exactly do you want to know?
How many are you in family?
We are 5. We are, well, counting my parents, we are 3 kids.
Are you here with your parents?
Yeah, my mom is here. My dad is sometimes here. He comes and goes.
You see, I really want to meet your mom, you know. I believe she will love me.
Of course.
Wow, that's good, that's good. I love you, sweetie.
I love you too.
Hello, BT. Hi.
You are laughing.
What's up? What are you doing here?
Which one is what's up? What happened the other day?
I was tired now. I have to go home. And you now, yeah.
And you just left
For
me.
meeting everywhere.
And you left me. Is that what friends does?
For me, I was tired now. But I told you that day. I told you should drink little now.
Anyways, thanks to that, I found a man.
A man.
Anna.
A man.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. Do you know what happened? That day he left. Someone picked me up and helped me out, and he was really a nice guy. Not like all these ones that take advantage of you.
Are you sure? I'm your friend,
now.
though. Tell me everything.
See, me and you will meet. We will go to his house. Go and see him. Yeah, come. Let's go just see you. Very cute. Yeah. Oh, he's here.
Yeah, beautiful ladies. Let me serve you people, you know.
Hey, let me do it myself.
That's very nice of you, you know. Wow.
Is this okay for you, kids?
Yeah. Well, we should take it easy. Oh, I'm still here.
Sorry, my dear.
Please,
Is this one?
It's okay for me.
Oh.
Wow, thank you.
Come on.
Yeah. I believe you're spending the night. Yeah, don't worry. We'll drop it for you.
It's like you people are driving me already, eh?
Oh, I'm sorry, dear. I'm sorry. Thank God for you coming into my life. I love you, sweetie.
Please, can I use the restroom?
Yeah. The second door by your right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm coming. Okay.
I'm not asking for too much. I just want you to be the wife of my dream, you know, the mother of my born children. Please.
I hope I didn't interrupt you people.
Sorry. But what about if I take you guys out for lunch? What do you think?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay. Okay. Babe.
My God. Beauty. So Beauty wants to have this boy. This handsome boy. Can't be. This boy is so so nice. What am I going to do? I have to try everything possible to have this boy to myself. We'll see what I can do. I'll try. I have to do something.
Hello? Good evening.
Good evening, bro.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
You called me on phone. You sound very urgent.
Yeah, it's very, very urgent, please.
Okay.
I need your favor, seriously. I know you can do it for me. That is why I called you. Please, It's about your friend, Julius.
Hope Julius are not done here anything wrong.
No, not at all.
Okay, tell me if I can do what you want.
It's just that I like Julius really.
You like Julius?
Yeah, I really love him.
I thought Julius' girlfriend is your best friend.
Yeah, but I love Julius. Please, don't turn me down.
No, this I can't just do this like that. You have to do something.
You won't regret this. If you can do it for me, I will reward you. Trust me.
Okay. No problem. You know, in this world now, nothing go for nothing.
Yeah,
okay.
That's why I said I will reward you. And you never regret it.
Let me see.
Okay.
But
Yeah, my brother.
as we talk now, we'll see.
Okay, by God's grace, I really appreciate it.
Tell you.
Yeah, when are we going to meet now? We'll see now on Saturday evening.
Depends now.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate.
You remember that day that I went to that shop?
Which day are you talking about again?
That last time now that we saw that shop that we went to go and buy that dress.
Ah, you meet Puerto Venezia.
That Puerto Venezia. That dress that we say is fine. It did not size me.
Did you add weight or what? Because that day you collected your size.
No. I just wear it did not even pass my waist.
Then you now return it. Did they give you back your money or?
I returned. I was looking for my size. I did not see.
Oh.
So I just left it there.
So, Hafana, how is your boyfriend? Talk to me. No, it's
It's fine, Sha.
Your boyfriend again. So, how far about the marriage plan?
My dear, no marriage. No marriage.
Do you know what? You have to leave this marriage. You have to leave this relationship because this boy is not ready. You know, come be like say one easy play through will. Babe, you have to think about what I say. Just think about it.
See, I didn't even offer you something to drink.
Please don't need.
Welcome.
Bros Julius. Welcome.
I didn't offer you something to drink now.
No need, my friend. I just say I should come and greet you. I'm even getting late to where I'm going. I just say I should come and greet you. Maybe
come and see me.
See me off. Send my greeting to everyone.
You need it? Take care. Thank you for coming.
Okay, thank you.
My friend was greeting you. Why didn't you answer?
I told you several times that I don't want to see her in my house. What kind of friend is that?
What kind of a man are you now? It's just a friend. Are you even my father?
That is the problem. That is the problem.
Ordinary greeting. You are just taking it.
I don't like her attitude. The kind of girl, I don't want you to emulate the kind of girl she is.
You just don't like anybody, sir. Every time you just like complaining. Because of you, I don't have any friends again.
You never know. Paul, I dey come.
Where's my friend Beauty?
Did you call her before coming?
No, I thought she's at home. I thought she was at home, eh?
No. Sit down.
Thank you.
Welcome. What should I offer you now?
Nothing. I'm okay. Julius,
Yeah.
you know you're cute. You're handsome. You're every woman's dream.
Thank you.
Look at me. Just look at me. Just check me out, please. Just look at me. Am I not good? Look at me. Can't you see my ass?
What do you mean?
Can't you see me? Julius, please.
Hey, what do you think you're doing? Hey, stop!
Julius.
What is this?
I'm just trying to give you.
Get out of my house.
Julius, it's not up to like this.
I said get out. Please. I don't want to see you in my house anymore.
Julius.
What kind of friend are you? I said get out of my house.
Julius.
Babe, see, it's not that I don't like you or your friends or people around you. I just want you to be the best woman in the planet Earth. Please. The kind of people you are moving with matters a lot. This girl that just left now, I have to tell you somehow. You know, you can test to that.
How is that attitude somehow? How?
You know. Sweetie, you know I love you. I don't want to lose you. That is the reason why you are seeing me speaking or talking the way I'm talking. I don't want you to do all those things. Please try and do away with those fake friends. Please. You can be the best woman in the planet. Hey, that is what I want from you. Thank you, baby. That's my girl.
Beauty, where are you coming from by this time of the night? Huh? Just look at you. God. With this your attitude? Huh? My God.
So you're here. What did you tell my mother? Julius, I said, what did you tell my mother? Julius, what did you tell my mother? Is it not, am I not talking to you? What did you tell my mother?
Is that how to greet?
That's not the answer to my question. What did you tell my mother?
Why did you bang my door like that?
What did you tell my mother?
Yeah, exactly what you heard from her. That is exactly what I told her.
So tell me now, what did you tell her?
Yeah, you are not ready for marriage.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you are not ready to get married. With this, your character not teaching.
You don't have your time.
You don't have my time. You see? Is this what I'm supposed to be eating as dinner in this house? It's okay. God. Beauty.
Oh, but which ones now?
Grandma, I agree to.
Ah, yeah. You just leave me for parlor. Waiting this up.
And they come here and tell you some certain things for kitchen.
I bet quick come, bring beer, come for me.
No bro now.
That's my guy, I be now.
Yeah, we thank God we did.
Now, wow, you don't you just fresh.
You see the ass of person again.
Not be lie, you don't you, not be lie. What of your woman now?
Woman. Beg my brother. I get woman now, I did kitchen just now.
My guy, me I don't tell you, see all these women matter. You get the way they see the package them. That made they call me Sparrow the King.
From, I beg. This one not be Sparrow the King. You understand? You know, now 3 years relationship, now they talk about. I don't want just go there, please.
3 years I'm waiting. 3 years relationship, you be lover boy. You know how many girls I don't cancel for this star? I don't get serious girlfriend. It's how they tell them to.
But Frank, you know, man, I know the young. As they grow, now so I they grow the.
How many years is them? I forget.
You know the CBS.
My lover, I love they do you. Who should be? You know the old, you know the young. My God, don't tell you. Follow my line. They won't them. Shuffle them. I see. Let me tell you.
Frank, wait
now.
Frank,
wait. Let me tell you. Julius, you too they drag. Now love they worry you. To say you get like 4 now, the way me are the runner. You see what that woman and beauty, I beauty color. You know for the worry you like this. Before you relax. Me I the cook. Today, Juliet will cook. Tomorrow, Paulina will cook. Next tomorrow, you can't if you stay around.
But at the time, how long are you going to continue like that? See, I need to start a family. I want to start family. You don't understand. I don't want. I know. You know, say I don't feel like that style.
Okay, wait, let me clear you. You must start family, but now you the cook. Okay, wait. Last. If you can't be say a worker, if you can't marry that your beauty, where you did not care for, where you love that, you can't buy for your mama come on go. Now you go to cook for your meal. Me let they shout, they job. Julius, focus. You said, "Pa." You there as you get woman that they cook. Sparrow the King no try. That day when me go enter kitchen, that day I will lose guard that woman. 2 seconds, another one go involved. You know the story like. Bro say, but last I'm not see the fee. Because me don't pass this line.
You don't know. If you know, you're not supposed to tell me all those things.
This guy. What thing they have? Say more cut all this show short, eh? This Saturday may block me for Club 306. Will they get them down? They hear me? No worry, put your mind down.
I don't feel come. I don't pass that stage for life now. Don't pass that stage. Wait, you never begin the plan life. You deal with the kite, you deal with this one, you deal with it. Now so you all continue.
My guy, women good. I mean they follow me. They're good. But we no go the stress matter. When you block me, go talk where. You get everything I want quickly run.
Sorry, I'm not come.
But Julius, you come. You like it or not? I'll call you. Go look what people for fire. I may bring my own. Me wale. Look what people for fire. I may bring my own now. Guy, they go look what people for fire.
Oh, you see they're hungry. But you tell me you're not saying my woman no.
Now your woman no cook no miss no shop now. Sure.
And they call.
When you ready level, me person shop. Which one be say I love her boy. Follow me the rotty so I go say no. About me, no care for this time. But we are. I'll finish them. The character I'll cancel. Lovette I'll cancel. Gloria I'll cancel. Georgina I'll go cancel. See Julius love her boy.
The brown in there. I'm going. Professing love.
Good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
My night. The one you spent with me or the one you spent cleaning the house?
When I spent where? I don't clean the kitchen. Who will do it?
Please now, don't start this morning. It's just this little cleaning now. You won't allow me to hear a word.
Do you know that it's your duty to do this thing as a woman in the house?
I've heard.
Tomorrow.
I'll do it tomorrow. Before I forget, my mom said you should come and see her.
For what?
You already know now.
To go and pay your bride price?
Before we go.
With this your character, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to see anybody.
So is my mother you're calling anybody?
And don't be offended with that statement. But with this your attitude and with this your character, until you know your responsibility in this house as a woman, I'm not going anywhere. Period.
Oh. Julius, you better come back here. Oh. Julius, you better come back here.
Wow,
Alright.
pretty, what's up? How you doing?
Let me call you back, please, okay? Amanda.
Wow, Amanda.
Yes.
That's the name of my grandma.
Thank you.
Wow, she's pretty, you know. What's up? Now you doing?
I'm fine.
You looking good? You live around?
Yes, actually, I live around.
Wow. Can I have your number?
My number.
Say yes.
No,
Why?
I don't give strangers my number.
I'm not a stranger. Sparrow the king.
Oh,
I want to spoil you.
are you for real?
See, for real.
Wow, I can see that.
Let me have your number. I want to spoil you. Take you shopping one of these days, you know what I'm saying?
And you think you can spoil me?
Yes, I can.
For
What's
real?
up?
Alright, let's give it a try.
Yes, I'll give it a try, man. Look at you. You look good. Nice shoes you got, no?
Thank you.
You look good. I'm gonna give you
Bye.
a call. Wow, nice ass you got, man.
Sparrow, they done. Yeah, you did. No, I could come now. You're dealing now. Dealing. I did that cafe now. Wait for the hangout now. You know the story. Okay. You know I did it down. Bad guy. You know how they waste time. Don't shake now. They expect you now. As if they call you, call that guy again, buddy. Or if you chair, I will call her myself. Anyone you choose. Okay, not this boy, not this boy. Now back of fast, yes now. Okay now. They expect you now. That's you.
Oh, but sleep don't carry me before.
Ah,
As I see your poor head.
Now you take one.
Just sleep, jump.
Tell you, you know the story now. Once in a while,
She no gun me.
I thought,
You say this weather na tribute for your good.
Weather for.
No gun me.
Weather for.
I just want to handle it. Even though they want.
I told you. Man, I don't tell the barman for me. No, be something for tough now.
I beg. I need that one.
You need that.
I need
Where
that.
this guy not there now?
Oh, but which one's now?
That guy, no, they serve there. Very stupid person.
Just go the waste time.
I say, not be only waste time. Help me break down. Say I must scatter with myself.
Which kind of small cup brought you?
So me first you take this one first.
What about this one? Wow, this one I'm waiting now. Romeo.
Yo, use this one to start now.
No, my matter.
I don't say no, they use one leg stand. Oh, okay.
Not too strong.
No.
Not be like all those one for
Come on,
Coco.
we'll take other ones. This one will make us step down. I tell you, Mamiji, I believe you.
Oh my God, God bless you. I see your remove man. I just dey cool though, on top my bed.
I told you. Afara.
You don't see the weather. No good so. You get one
Only
I
you
cancel
are.
yesterday. I shift a room. We start from 9 o'clock in the night till 4 o'clock early morning.
Huh?
Around 6 o'clock she go. Now I just call we.
You no go collect money because you deliver well.
No, my matter. My guy, you know as we dey run am. Me I dey cancel La Liga. I dey cancel championship. You know the matter. Percy Julius, that one man, he lose car.
But you see, everybody with their own faith. You don't decide say one marry, you want change the lifestyle. You say they clean, they do everything. American love now. You want to impress the woman.
Romeo,
me,
put your mind down. Me I go Julius house. Julius dey cook. Julius dey wash plates.
American love.
God. I thought it was made there like us. You know say I no dey cancel one now.
I know.
I dey go La Liga.
I tell you.
I dey go Champions.
Okay, you can't fish which time. See the final river.
Na say
I know. But still they continue. Oh, so we are the top in that show.
La Liga man.
My guys,
This latest love father in town.
what's up now? What did they happen now? Make I sit down first. What's now when they finish
Na
all
go
this
buy
thing?
Romeo. I tell this man to come for club on Friday. He lose guard me.
And that goes for her.
I no tell you. You enough.
You let me understand that to be honest. Maybe
That Ghana girl where everything just. Oh, the Manchester then.
that means
Guys, what is the season one to introduce here?
Which one? Run that reduce.
Okay, you know the.
This guy
That's
don't
not
come
good.
come out of here, man.
I feel this stuff on I mean.
I got my money. Go take you want to
You know, sweet and
Don't worry, don't worry.
get money.
You want something?
Yeah, now you get money back. Now what you like now? So me I not fit talk for this kind of matter. As I still read the woman cook for me and chop. Every day you na you watch the, na you cook the food, na you watch the plate. Romeo.
I agree to.
You know, sweet and see here, man. Cafe na go.
Jedi.
See weather. Not the see weather. Now this kind of hot thing supposed to talk, not good.
Done, I want to let her.
I forget again.
See weather. What thing go hot belly there? What thing go?
Romeo, I tell you, say this your man Julius are here, man. How many Chibito we don't cancel here? They come now, don't molest our table, we go carry cafe.
Guy,
Now, woman be this one.
guy. If man dey change, life dey change. If life dey change, man dey change. You get?
Why what you tell me say?
He clear now. You hear this, Anna?
Even myself, my head doesn't change. Man take she put the more man.
You need to bring more.
I tell you.
This guy,
But this one no dey cure this thing.
Don't worry, now you the drink.
E no dey cure some mentality. E dey act join your.
Alpha, why you not come the club when me tell you to come?
I tell you that same man. I know they come. I told you now, I'm not coming.
Hey, Julius, you the show us ability to do. You dey avoid us.
Not beside they avoid you guys. The problem is life of a team, na stage. Understand? Get where you go reach now. All those things wey this man you dey feel say they do now. You go be the perfect man when it come to your own time.
Hey, Romeo.
We not perfect. I hear that word. Now we not perfect now.
No, now waiting. You say why I not come club?
Now we not perfect.
You know if you understand.
No,
We are
wahala.
okay, sha.
This guy.
We are okay.
I don't know say it matter.
Now we not get. Who do this thing?
This guy not get alignment.
Now we not get like.
Drink. After all, you not get expensive, and you not get woman, particular woman who this man you dey spend for. Now from year
Julius,
to
shut up your
year, from
mouth.
year to year.
Julius, shut up your mouth.
Hey,
That
stop
one we
it.
That one we get na woman.
What it be?
Romeo, I never clear you. You know say I go Julius.
You just miss more your son. I don't want me come before you tell me
Look,
everything.
I hurt my belly.
Julius,
This is cafe. This is what this no need.
They cook.
Julius, they wash plates. Julius even clear me say just sweep the house finish now.
You know they eat for house.
And you know say you get serious girl sha.
That is not. I
You
don't
get
feel
service,
cook. I don't feel
sha.
cook.
Maximum.
Momento, please. Okay.
Romeo.
Hello. Yeah, so what's up? Yeah, I'm in the close by. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in the cafe bar. Yeah. 2 streets after. Yes. Okay, you can come over. Okay, it's better. Meet me there, yeah. I'm with my guys also. Thank you.
Wait. You want come on?
No. I'm beauty.
You don't have reached 5 minutes just now. Me, you call here, you just call your woman.
No, she called me. She there, man.
And you still tell her, hey.
Yeah, she dey come.
The matter of the club, man. Now, the woman call her, yes, sir.
I call her. Yeah, she's coming. She just want to.
I think she has been like, let me she like.
Yeah, everything they okay.
Yes.
I'm beauty also.
Babe, please can we talk?
You know, see this here, man. I get ready to close.
You see, you not get.
How they go, bros?
You know, see this also. You don't they go.
That's why you have to move now.
Also, Woman Rapana.
What do you tell me now?
Move show this man. You know, if he ball like us. I mean,
See my baller before, they don't turn out to lost baller.
this man if he ball like us. You know the way they run now. They take.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Oh, you are the lady that's called
Yeah.
for the room, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Let me show you the room.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the room. This is how it is, you know. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's really cool. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is how it is. Let me show you the bedroom and the kitchen. This is Do you like the movie?
I don't even know what the movie is about.
Are you not seeing the cyclists? They are trying to meet up with the vehicles now. Yeah. You see?
Who is she?
Who?
That girl I just said that, who is she?
Sorry. Pardon. Jessica.
Yes.
Please, a moment. Honey, I forgot to tell you. You know, you are just coming back from travel. Yeah, meet my girlfriend. Honey, meet our new tenant. She just rent that room. I rent the room about a few days ago. She just came a few days ago. What's that really bad? What's that for?
What do you mean, what is that for? Well, you didn't even tell me you're renting the room out.
Yeah, but
Which one is here? At least, okay, if you're renting the room, must it be a girl?
calm down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. You didn't even tell me.
God, I understand, but alone.
Yeah, explain. Just say that you want to bring another woman to the house.
That is. What are you saying? But that is not the
No, you
case.
tell me anything, okay?
Oh my God.
Please, I want to use the bedroom.
You want to use what?
I want to use the bedroom now.
Can't you see that I'm mopping there?
And so what? Get out of the way, let me use it.
You to get her from here. Can't you see that I'm mopping there? You just wake up by this time as a girl. Look at the time you're waking up. Oh,
What's
you're
the meaning
not
of
from
this
there.
one? Get out now, let me use it. What's wrong with you?
You two, what's wrong with you? Are you crazy? Can't you see what I'm doing?
I don't even blame you. Is that Julius that brought you here? See, don't even try this rubbish with me because I'll beat you.
You can beat me. Hey, don't joke with me.
Are you okay?
You know the person you're talking to.
Please get out.
Hey, you get out from there. Hey,
See me some trouble. Don't even try me. Don't
it's
try
not
me.
that brought me here.
So what?
I
So what now?
don't want problems, so please get out.
You
from
get
there.
out. You see, this is my house. Don't even try me.
And so what?
Yeah.
And so what? Are you the one who bring me here?
Get out.
I won't.
Sure, you don't want trouble. Get out.
If you don't want trouble, if you don't want to see my behavior, get out.
Are you mentally okay?
Are you also okay? Lazy girl like you.
Don't worry. I'll call Julius. Say it's me and you in this
When
house.
call
You will
Julius?
get out of this house. You You see, don't worry. I'm not blaming you. Idiot.
Nonsense girl.
Julius, that girl has to leave this house.
What?
That girl has to leave this house. As if she must leave this house.
What is happening?
She must leave this house. I'm not telling you again, but she better leave this house. Because I'm tired of her. She better leave this house. Don't say my own.
What is all this? I'm just coming from work and you don't. Oh my God. My God. What is all this? Coming back from work, I cannot even. Jessica. Jessica, are you not hearing me?
I'm coming.
I said, what really happened between you and my girlfriend? What happened?
Can you imagine? Your girlfriend came from her room. I was cleaning the bathroom. Your girlfriend told me she wants to enter, and I said I'm cleaning it. And your girlfriend insults me.
It's okay.
Your girlfriend
It's okay, you can go. It's okay, you can go. My God, what is all this? Beauty, God. From one problem to another. Since the very day this girl came to this house, she have been cleaning the house, maintaining the house. Today, you want to expose yourself again? Who again? God. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Welcome, man.
You go back. You look sharp.
Thank you.
What you got?
This guy, you get woman fast now. People like us, they look at.
Man, every day they tell me good.
And that's it. Too much every time.
Yeah. Boy, you have to say get food for this bunko.
My brother, I know they come back from work.
Ah, not the lie. Show for your face.
They come back from
But
work.
at least you
Really tired, you know.
But I need food not see the drinks of us there now. I don't say you know the drink, so but give us now, you know.
I don't really know.
This man. I mean, yeah, man. I don't matter. I know they talk for a matter.
Wait till they try to talk now.
I know you now, I know. So,
Hey, we watch this.
don't bring the drink now, make it tell us, you know, guys.
No, okay.
See, yeah, man. Watch this.
Now I'm doing small thing for now.
If you tire me, Joe.
See, yeah,
I bet be better one, no give a jadi.
But see, Romeo, this your man, last now, no matter part.
Ah, just use time on that. Let's treat me pain. I can't tell us that. Just come back, let's go to. I tell you, I say,
Which level? Which one are the
No worry.
Mona manage this one? Food, I don't just say food.
Observe the name.
Check the.
You they drink alcohol.
But I give you alcohol, no?
Vintage, mama. This one, La Liga. If you use a mark,
But that's it.
It's clear. What did I do now?
I put my shirt, man.
You go boss on.
See person for you.
But last
You ask with you.
Julius, last you go bring food oh. You know say you get woman, you not married man.
I tell you,
I don't want to talk too much.
I tell you, I just say. I tell you.
Who waiting?
Why you dey pop this?
Oh, your girl now, you not get woman.
You just shout, ooh, the thing don't mess me up oh.
You kill yourself now.
Romeo, now you go turn on last.
Huh? You talk too much. See, you don't even know the thing, whether you dey pop or whatever. Okay.
Okay, let this thing enter our body now. Because we go with you.
Don't do, yes.
Yeah.
No see, yeah, I no bring glass for yourself oh.
Perceive.
Carry go that side. One thing you get for this one. Now to carry woman, that be your problem.
Afa, you Julius, what about the discussion we had last time I visited now? Hey! You still remember the discussion?
Hey. I don't know after that.
Do you know exactly the discussion was?
Yeah, is it not the one you told me at my doorstep?
Romeo, I will discussion with her. I don't understand what I told her. They sideline me and you.
No, not first. You're relaxed. No, I'll tell you this matter later.
Is that why you are here?
You see how they molest me? Because
You don't want to molest me.
you have to give me to him. You have to molest me.
Is that what you have to say? Eh? Is that all you have to say?
What now? Can't you see I'm with my friends?
I don't scare this your useless friends. You better share this girl to get out of this house, eh?
Come, Julius. Come. If that your girlfriend, if he dey rubbish you, now be person like Sparrow. Romeo, Sparrow, you keep me
normal daily.
See this girl, if I dey cancel, she not gonna reach the league. Why they cancel? Make they cancel La Liga now. Which one, sir?
Now that female, maybe that's me. The ladies personally.
Come, Romeo and the Paro. You see the matter what play for cafe bar. Say Julius a wash play, Julius a strippers. Then you don't find the matter now.
I'll go and see things.
May you pay. We go fair Wale before we come out. I know they fair.
I can give you for your job.
No, not enough. Now Julius a cook. Julius don't do matter.
Swallow. If I tell you, I'm gonna come here just now. You know stuff I told you. I told you.
Romeo. You see what I see?
Now yeah, this.
See Ash. That na my fido.
Guys, is that why you are here?
What do that?
Come.
Is that why you are
here? You may not do not person do.
Now I'm putting the get forward.
This man see goose me there. You not see goose me there.
Is that why you are here?
No, you they speak English. That's why you are here. See better thing. If not me, I don't think we play that.
Guys, I my head. Una fit Congo.
It is the same way they come.
Take your drink. Una fit Congo.
Let's do this man.
Yeah, no well.
I bet you can go. You guys can go.
What you just say, but just not there. Waiting be that one.
My first sleep.
Babe, you just left me in the sitting room.
Sorry, I just wanted to wash these dishes.
Alright, no problem. So what's going on with you?
Nothing. You don't here.
Alright, I really need to talk to you.
Tell me.
I know you're my friend, I won't lie to you. It's about your relationship.
What's that?
You really need to fix your relationship.
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying. I'm trying, honestly.
I know you're trying, but you need to put more effort to it.
How?
By cleaning the house, doing things that the guy will like.
It's not like I don't want to do it too, but I don't like when you just emphasize me. No, I don't know.
You need to do it. That's relationship for you. You just need to do it, my darling. You really need to do it. I know it's not easy, but you gotta do it. That's relationship for you. You sweep, you cook, you clean the house, you do all those things that make your man happy. I won't lie to you, I'm your friend.
I know, but you won't understand.
It's why. I understand, this way. Okay? It's why. And another thing. It's about your friend, or rather our friend.
Who?
Faith.
What happened to Faith? Hope everything is alright.
Everything is alright. No, we are friends. We are all friends. And you need to mind the way not everything that happens in your relationship you tell her immediately. Because I sense she's the kind of person that will go back and she wants to like take your man from you.
Faith?
Yes, that's in Faith, you know.
No, Faith cannot do that.
Alright, no problem if you say so, but I'm just advising you as a friend. That's why I said you should buckle up in your relationship.
Okay, no problem. Do you want anything to do?
Yeah, what do you have in the house?
See, there is coke, there is juice. Which one do you want?
You have coke. Okay, here's the cup.
What are you doing here?
What's up?
Which one is Warsaw? What are you doing here?
I came to greet you.
To greet who?
You? I don't even know I will meet you.
Get out.
Why?
I said get out.
Why?
You're asking me why? So after all those your movements, you want to
Am I not
get
your friend
out?
again?
Whose friend? Enemy. Come on, get out.
Look at this guy is leaving me. Oh. Hey, wonder shall never end. Let me go to my house and maybe.